ladies and gents, this is Sko.
And this is simply Deniz.
And this is
Our new Instant Pot air fryer lid.
Yay! So why did you want to buy this in 30 seconds?
Because I was doing a lot of frying things with non-frying fats in the oven that didn't quite work out, and everybody told me it was a life changer, and I figured we have very little counter space, so instead of purchasing another appliance to stand on the counter, I just got a lid for our already existing Instant Pot. Yeah.
That's a brilliant idea. Let's open this box and see what's in it.
Yay! Doody-doody-doo. Doody-doody-doo. Doody-doody-doo.
No.
Doody-doody-doo. Doody-doody-doo-doo-doo. Da-da.
Yes. You know how to cook, but you don't know how to open a box.
I need something to stand on. I need a stepping stool.
Stepping stool.
Stepping stool. No! No!
Ta-da!
Okay. Da-da-da-da-da. Tray, basket, base, cover. They have an Instant Pot app.
Yes.
I didn't know they had an Instant Pot app.
Yes, and they also have
Yes.
social media.
Nice. Yes, I know they have. They've actually reposted me a few times. So,
Oh, really?
Yes.
So what is that?
So that is the base,
Okay.
and I dropped something. That is something that I don't know what this is. This is
Sandbox for Layla.
yeah, it's a play box for Layla. This is the basket, and this is, you know what? When you're plugging this in, they don't want you plugging in the other part of the other plug, so they have made it in such a way that you can plug it in at the same time with any other appliance. Hello, baby.
So these are really good. Do you need a
It's
manpower?
actually quite big. No, I don't need a manpower. Have you seen my arms? They're filled with fat.
Mine filled with muscles.
Ta-da!
Oh. What
That
the?
box. If only we had a cat.
So do we? So,
So,
we first need to look at the manual.
This is the base.
No, no, no. We first need to look at the manual. Don't be a Turkish person.
No,
Be
I
a
already
Canadian
watched
person.
how to put this together.
Okay, but just show everybody how the
I
manual
love
works.
manuals. Don't get me wrong. I always love manuals.
You
I
never
always
read
use
manuals. You never look at
them.
manuals.
Are you
You always
kidding me? I'm the only
try
one.
to understand and fix it by yourself. So they're all different safeguards and everything. We're gonna be read them all before make it work. Yes, she will be also studying it quite diligently, right?
Right.
Okay, so what is it about?
So, pressure cook your food first. Place your
Okay.
food into the stainless steel inner pot. Then insert your inner pot into the cooking base.
So is that right? So this is only works on top of an Instant Pot, or does it also can it also work by itself?
No, you have to use it with the Instant Pot.
So why it isn't a different plug?
Because you can't use the two plugs. You can't plug them in at the same time.
Ah.
It's dangerous, and I don't think it will work. So, so they made it in such a way that once you put this in, once you plug this in, you can't really plug in anything else. So that's smart, don't you think?
So this is the reason why they made it that way, because if you try to plug this in somewhere and then plug the other Instant Pot to the same space, then you can probably explode the whole house.
Yep.
So to be able to prevent that, they made the socket like this. Yeah, I guess it's pretty acceptable, yeah. Because a lot of people probably just like us have Instant Pot always plugged in, and if you have them both on, then you can get into trouble, right? So these are the pieces, as you can see. So this is an Instant Pot that you need to have before you start, and it's right over there.
It's compatible with certain models only.
So is it compatible with our model?
It's compatible with our model. Yes.
Yeah. So you have
can
this.
check before you buy, but I think yeah, it's compatible with our model.
For how long do we have this?
We've had it since we were living in Midtown, Toronto. So I think
It's almost like
a
2
year
years.
and a half.
2 years.
Not 2 years, but maybe, I mean, definitely more than a year.
Yeah.
And yeah, close to 2 years, I think. You're right.
Deniz loves it because the best thing about it, what she likes is that you put a timer here and it's closed, and even if it's finished, it's cooking, you don't have to be close to it right away. It beeps and gives you the information that it's cooked, and it's also very fast.
Yes, it's so fast and it's very safe, because I'm afraid of pressure cookers, and I can't actually, like, this is the only pressure cooker I have, and it's only because it's like computerized like so. And you know, next time we go on a camping trip, I don't think we're gonna use anything in the kitchen. I'm just gonna take the Instant Pot and this lid, and everything will work.
Camping, man?
Yeah, it can even bake stuff. Like next time we
Oh,
go
for the camping, like a road trip.
like
Okay.
you can bake cakes, you can make, you know, cheesecake. Yeah, you can bake cakes. You can even broil stuff with this. Like, this is amazing. Like, there's nothing you can't.
And what about your
do
good
that-
vibes, by the way?
My good vibes.
Okay, so good vibes, wife. How are you, Emre? Over there? Okay.
Yes.
Now, so these are the parts. So we have all these parts. Just 1 minute, oğlum. Just 1 minute. Emre'cim, just 1 minute, please. Bir dakika, oğlum. So she says she need to first clean it because she doesn't wanna put it inside. She's afraid of viruses and germs, I
I'm
believe.
not afraid of viruses, but everything I buy before I use them, I wash them. This is what any clean person.
Yeah, and after you use first time, you don't wash them, as I can see here.
I don't think you're supposed to wash that part. That's why it's like that.
You can thoroughly clean it with some kind
I
of
don't think it's dirty. I'm just like taking.
What do you mean not dirty? It looks dirty.
No. This part that I'm washing right now, the
It
multi-level.
smells dirty, even.
What I'm talking about is
It smells food.
this part too. I don't know if you're supposed to wash the lid. Maybe we should read the instructions regarding that.
As you can see, ladies and gents, she hasn't read the manual, and she's insisting on reading the manual, but she's trying to watch a video about it. She prefers to watch videos.
Yeah, I don't think we're supposed to wash this part. So, I don't know what happens when like fat and oil and all these things sort of splash around, but
If you read, you will find out.
yes, but you're not giving me any time to do anything. Anyways.
No, you just go step by step on the paper. Yes. So let's do this.
So this pot is the Instant Pot is what we cook with.
Instant pot.
Instant pot. There. And this is what we cook with on a regular basis. So we're
Okay.
gonna take this lid out
Yes, and
and
then
put it aside for a minute.
okay, and
And
then
then we have a basket that we're gonna dry. We don't actually have to
this is
dry.
called air fryer basket base.
Yes.
This part.
Yes.
And then air fryer
So
basket.
this is the base that goes in there.
Okay, perfect.
And then this is the basket that's actually going to air fry. And
Okay.
it goes there, and it's 2 levels, I think, as far as I know.
Yes.
Like so. It looks small, but then it has 2 levels.
Oh, it's like kind of stick to it. You see, guys?
Yes, they fit
Yeah,
together
okay.
well.
And now we have
I
to.
think I'm not entirely sure
And now
because it doesn't say.
It doesn't say there. No, don't put it.
I'll take a look.
Don't put it. Now we have to know. We have to put now chicken.
Yes, it fits. See,
Okay, but it doesn't say right now to
I'm
put
not
it.
gonna cook a whole chicken.
What you gonna cook?
I have drumsticks to cook.
We can put Jack instead,
No, it won't fit.
or maybe Emre.
Need a bigger one for this. Oh, important announcement. Public service announcement. So,
On that particular outlet, you're only gonna use this,
yes.
huh?
Once you plug this in, this is the only thing you're gonna be using here. So,
It
I
has
think
the
we need
same.
to. Oh, we need to open this up. That's why I'm thinking. Oh, this is short. Why?
So it has the same ugly interface here. I don't like that, by the way.
I love it. It's
neither of
so.
this?
I find it to be like really.
It can be a little better with like an LCD
I'm not
screen or
sure
whatever.
why this doesn't fit. I'm not sure if it fits like so. I think,
No.
let's see.
You want me to try?
So,
No, not there.
no.
And now she's again watching the video instead of looking at the manual. Where's the manual? It says a jingle plays when the air fryer lid is placed correctly.
Is the heating element. And then we have, of course, this trivet that they have, so that we can put that, if our lid were hot, we can just sit that right on. So you have a way to also store this in air fry, which is, of course, the feature most of us are purchasing this for, but we can also...
Ladies and gents, we watched a lot of videos and we also tried to check the manual, but here my lovely wife is right. In the manual it doesn't say anything about it, but it does actually.
Doesn't lock up.
Yeah.
So you're gonna see a slight level above where the other lid would sit. So there's a little gap here. And that's how it's supposed to be. Like, we watched a few YouTube videos and they seem to know what they're talking about.
Yeah.
We'll soon figure out why.
Yeah, they're very professional YouTuber mothers and cookers, I believe.
Yes, box openers.
Yeah, box openers. Professional box openers.
Box openers.
Yeah.
So this will also, we can also use this as a trivet. So for when we have to take it out. And because in halfway through it's going to send an alarm and say turn it around, and we're going to put it over here.
Turn it around what?
Turn the chicken up. Or whatever it is that you're frying.
Turn
Halfway,
it for what?
It's turn up for what?
Tell
You can air fry, broil, bake, roast, reheat, dehydrate. I intend to try them all slowly. But
and the minimum it gets down to 400 Fahrenheit. That's also one thing I learned
okay.
from the videos.
All right.
So, and you just sit it here like so, and then you hear this.
I love
That jingle sound tells you that it sits perfectly.
Yep.
And when you take it out, you hear that jingle. If you are cooking a food which needs to have a turning, then you just like take it up and put it aside like so, right here, right there.
Take it out, put it on the trivet, take out the food, and it has 2 levels, so you can actually, if you want, cook more food. Than you could with 1 levels. You need to, of course, clean everything with soap, but then the lid you can't wash, but I think they recommend you to wipe it with a clean cloth, like a damp clean cloth probably.
Okay.
So everything you need to clean it before you use, of course, just to make sure there's no residue on them. But yeah, let's try it. I'm so excited and I'm so hungry. Let's go.
We're gonna be doing another video of using this and cooking something nice and to show you in another video. But for now, this video is about just explaining you the box and the product.
Deniz'cim, are you gonna be here with me? Or...
I'm sorry, I'm cooking at the same time.
Yeah, don't cook right now, just do the unboxing, okay?
So this is about it. Do you recommend it? Is it even if you haven't cooked that much?
I'm loving it already.
Yeah.
But we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Okay then.
I'll let you know. Watch my stories.
Yeah. So you can smile, take a deep breath, and continue cooking with Instant Pot if you want to fry something.
Yes. Yum yum yum.
Yeah. See you.
Bye.